Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Umendirang ba kajala konrat ki sangma hakalai tarik naik tung aja pun rio lop lipat ba ya ka children and adolescent library pa ya ka digital infrastructure hak snong so kha mission hakan ga ju ka sngi mendirang ba ula bu monong rim nak banta ka yung school ba thamat jong ka so kha government high secondary school pat pen ko burom ru yaki khana school ki bala pas ba haki examen haka jingalang la sakhilang do menteri sarkar pakan thop yu ba la kamen rembui pat yu ba oilat miki shela pat kibai
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And I ask you to ask yourself a simple question. That in the last 8 years, has Meghalaya moved forward? Are we better off than what we were 8 years back? Are we seeing change happening in the positive direction? Do we see hope for our state as we move along? I'm sure that in your heart, the answer will be yes. We are better off than what we were before. We are moving in the right direction. We have the positive hope of creating the large opportunities that we desire to create for our youngsters and for our citizens. And while I say that, I'm not saying we are perfect. There are many problems. And neither am I saying that we have done everything correct. We are human beings. We do make mistakes. But let me share, we learn from our mistakes also. We listen to the concerns of our people. If we realize that somewhere certain steps taken by us may not have been in the right direction, we have the will to change those direction and that area and that direction too. That is how we work. We work with our feet on the ground. We work with our ears on the ground. We work by connecting with you to understand the problems you have and find ways in which we can carry everybody along, make a difference, and move together towards a better future. Are areas where we will work to ensure that we are able to provide that particular investment. As you all know, that large investments are being made. Today I was very happy to come from the Amlarem-Jowai bypass road, the new one that's been inaugurated and now functional, where people who are coming to Amlarem don't have to go through Jowai city anymore. And it's a really smooth transit, and it is really making life much easier for most of our citizens in Amlarem area. So like this, step by step, we are improving the infrastructure and will continue to invest.
May call Mr. Lina Miki Khongla, MCS Meghalaya Civil Service, but he is not available. His mother is hospitalized, so his Uncle Kim, congratulations. Next, Randy Ami Doksni, Lingo, 2023. May I call Dr. Barikanti Khongla, she complete PhD, who is Miss Dayak Menlang Khongla. Please come forward. Next, Dayak Men Khongla is a second class in the SSLC 2024. Next Manti Byangpor Postwet, SSLC 2026. Please come forward to receive the award from congratulate you for the prize you have received.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.